Okay, Carly, what you gonna do in 2026?
What I'm going to do. Horse riding,
Horse riding and
swimming,
swimming and what
and
else?
spend time with my family.
That's good ones. Okay, let's see. What Electra?
I want to go more to the gym,
Yeah,
like every day to the gym almost.
yeah.
And I want to be more happier. Well, I am happy.
Yes.
So I want to be more positive.
Yeah.
And then what I want to do is I want to get into like something like martial arts or something.
That's a good one. I like that. Let's see what that.
2026, I'm gonna lose some weight
Yeah.
and be more active
Yeah.
and do some more woodwork.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay, in 2026 wil ek baie graag probeer om my werk en my huis apart te hou. Ek kan hoor hoe hy lag almal om my vir my, maar in elk geval sal ek probeer om my selfoon neer te sit 6uur elke aand en om nie weer op te tel tot die volgende oggend 6uur nie. Okay, so dis my belangrikste enetjie wat ek wil probeer doen. Dan om 10 kg te verloor hierdie jaar. En om meer saam met my man en my kinders te doen. Dis my New Year's resolutions. So sê 'n bietjie vir my, wat is joune?